Hello children, myself Mrs. Ranjana Kharida is going to explain you chapter 4 agriculture of geography book. You are requested to read the slides also thoroughly. Agriculture in India. You know 70 to 80% of Indian people depend on agriculture. 1.4 million square kilometers of land in India is under cultivation. Agriculture is the biggest economic source in India and the largest livelihood provider in rural India. Types of farming. In your previous class, in class 8, already you have studied about the types of farming. There are three types of farming are practiced. First, primitive subsistence farming. Second, intensive subsistence farming. And third, commercial farming. Primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is still practiced in few places of India. It is practiced on small patches with the help of some primitive tools like hoe, dao, etc. and family or community levels. The farming today totally depend on monsoon, natural fertility of soil and other environmental condition. It is called slash and burn cultivation. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, then farmers shift and clear another patch of land for cultivation. The production is very low in this type of farming and modern input are not used. There are different names are used for this type of farming in various places. In India, for example, in Madhya Pradesh, it is known as Vevar or Dahiya. In Andhra Pradesh, Podu or Panda. In Jharkhand, it is known as Kurwa. In the world, it is also known in various names. For example, Brazil, it is known as Roca. In Indonesia, it is called as Ladang, etc. Intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced where there is high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming. High doses of biochemical and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Commercial farming. In this type of farming, higher doses of modern inputs HYV means high yielding variety seeds, insecticides, pesticides, chemical fertilizers are used for higher production. The commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. Example, rice is a commercial crop in Punjab and Haryana, but in Odisha it is a subsistence crop. Plantation. It is also a type of commercial farming. Single crop is grown on a larger area. Plantations cover large tracts of land using capital intensive inputs with the help of migrant laborers. All the produce is used as raw material in the industries. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are important. Example, in Assam and North Bengal, tea plantation, in Karnataka, coffee plantation. Remaining slides of this chapter you will get later. Thank you and have a nice day.